How to change availability on Square appointments. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the availability or the staff availability into your Square appointments account. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over google.com. Then you are going to type in Square appointments. You are going to visit the first thing that will pop up. As long as it is not a ad link, you're going to see here Square appointments. You're going to click on get started. Basically, you need an account within SquareUp to get this feature. You're going to set up your free subscription or redeem it. Once you're here, you're going to see the team members, the things from here, or the dashboard of your, as you can see here, the theme or the team. You're going to head over team or team members. From here, we are going to see the scheduling, the time tracking, and announcement reports, and etc. We're going to head over the scheduling, and from here, here we are going to have this drop-down menu. We're going to select availability. Now it will show up here Square Shifts. Basically, it is going to be here an integration from Square. We're going to get the $0 per month. So we are going to use only the free one. If you need the plus offer or plus plan, you can go ahead and use it. Now I'm going to head over the availability. You are going to see here your staff members and the availability of them. So you are going to change, for example, if you are going to change something or add an availability, you're going to click on add. And if you are going to change it, for example, this, you're going to select the availability or the space for the availability. So you can go ahead and set up the start and end time. You can also add another availability for some time or there or remove it. And for example, here I'm going to set up the start time of this person to 12 a.m. and it will finish on, let's say here 12 p.m. So we can go ahead and repeat these or this availability Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you are going to give it a day off on Saturday, for example, or you can go ahead and give it as many as a day off as possible. You're going to click on save. Boom, here we have changed the availability of that person. You can add another availability or there to another staff member. So we are going to see here this specific area. We have here to add the availability either once or twice or as you can see as much as you want. And here we have it. Then you are going to save it right away. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.